My car.
Have a what?
A problem with the ass in my car. You've been 2 feet from it since you got behind me.
Have I touched it?
Damn near close. Yeah, we're gonna stay right here. We have a camera. We saw you hit us.
You cutting me off from over there! Don't give me that shit!
Can I open my window up, please?
Don't worry about it. Put it down.
A few minutes later.
Call the cops. Call the cops. Call the cops. Call the cops.
3 days later.
You came into my lane. You came into my lane. Why is your window down?
I'm trying to put it up, and you won't put it up.
I don't know. What the hell? I was waiting for that spot. You just came in here.
No. Go yourself. Why you gotta be so rude to somebody? Go. Sorry, your mom's such a dude.
Here.
Scaring me. You refuse to go away. It's a
You didn't say anything.
and I'm calling the police. You're scaring me. You might be stalking me. Do you live here? No.
I live over there.
What the hell are you doing talking to me?
I was driving around. You're
Get the
recording.
hell out of here. Get the hell out of here.
I'll wait for the
You're scaring
police.
me.
That's okay. Hey, do you always drive like that? Tailgating people and running red lights? That's what I thought. You ran a red light and they were tailgating me the whole way. You were tailgating me the whole way. In Merle's Light, you were tailgating me and then you ran the red light. I got you on camera. What are you talking about? You can't even argue. What?
Where it's not even their lane, and then this lady's doing the same thing. I've got a truck behind me, honking at me. I can't back up, and here she's. What a complete idiot. So this guy's trying to get her off the road and out of the way. I'm trying to go northbound and get out of the way of the fire truck.
Stop running! You gotta walk! It's a walk! It's a walk! You just walk! Not run! Yes, because I barely saw you! Next time!
Huh?
Really? Really?
What?
Oh my god.
There was nobody there.
Oh my god. Dave, really?
Relax. People are crossing, they're trying to get to the game.
I didn't
Okay,
see
the
people.
crosswalk is blocked off. I don't have officers out here yet. Just relax. Have you ever pulled out in front of somebody?
I understand.
Yes, you
it's a
have.
reaction also to hit the horn when someone pulls
Just
out in front of you.
Just relax. Just relax. Okay? Thank you. You're welcome. Wonderful day. I love you. Come on, go. You hope I'm traffic. Dude, get the f out the road, you. They break your legs. Do it! I'm warning you, get back in your car.
Get back in your car!
Get back to letter B. So it's in conjunction with the documentary that came out a couple of years ago.
What's your causing?
What happened? Did we not have the green light? Did we not?
We had a green light. You're making him almost crash. You're making me almost crash.
Wait, he was
You're
turning.
not looking behind you. You're pulling out of a stop sign out of a school, and
Right.
there's people coming behind you.
No,
You're not noticing, bro.
You were coming behind me. I saw you.
Okay, you then and you cut me off. The off, bro.
No, I
You
did not
drive
cut-
mad slow.
Yo, you
so
were
I
going
smack
fucking-
the shit out of you. What you gonna do? You
A few minutes later.
Yup. Oh, that's a shame. You merged in.
I'm calling the police. No, get the f away, dude.
You've reached 911 emergency for the city of Los Angeles.
What are you doing that for? Hey, why are you doing that? You've attacked my son's car 3 times. You pulled the sticker off it.
Are you quite legal to park over somebody's drive?
But don't get too close, please, because I don't want to breathe the same air as you.
Well, you are, unfortunately. Yes.
Well, it's Corona if you don't mind, so keep back.
You back off.
You stop vandalising my son's car, right?
You're a bully.
Why am I?
You're a thief.
Get her in, will
You
you?
like stealing from your workplace.
Why am I stealing from a workplace?
You're a criminal.
How? Why am I a criminal?
You're using your phone, aren't you?
Well, it's good evidence, isn't it?
Yeah, you're
Just keep...
Please back away from me now.